Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to download Gmail security backup codes. If you use two-step verification and want a safe backup for emergencies, yeah, this full guide for 2026 is exactly what you need. First, sign into your Gmail account and open your Google account settings. This is where all security options are located. Now go to the Security tab. Scroll down to the section that says how you sign into Google. Find two-step verification and open it. You may need to confirm your password again. Yeah, that's normal. Scroll down until you see Backup Codes. These codes let you sign in if you lose your phone or can't receive verification messages. Click the option to download or print your backup codes. Save them somewhere safe. Offline is best, like a secure folder or printed copy. If you think your old codes were exposed, you can generate new ones. This automatically disables the old backup codes. And yeah, that's how to download Gmail security backup codes in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.